G'day guys, what's going on? I'm shanecohd.
I'm Declan.
And this is the shanecohd HD channel. And we are back at it again with another video. In today's video, what are we doing, Dec?
Reviewing the HPI Nano TTR Ford Mustang.
That's it, that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
And where did we get this one from?
From John. Gave it to me as a present.
And who's John?
One of your subscribers.
That's right, we met John through the channel and I actually bumped into him down at Repco one day when we were down there looking for the hotwheels. And I had a quick chat to him then, and then yeah, John messaged me. In the last video we did a huge trade for the hotwheels Interceptor, the V8 Interceptor.
Yeah.
And I swapped it for the Maloo. And then John said he had a little gift for Declan too on the trade day. So this is the little gift that he had for Declan. So on the trade day, I bumped into him down there at Collecticon.
Yeah.
And Collecticon's huge. I love going to Collecticons. If you haven't seen one of my Collecticon videos yet, go over and check it out. There's lots on the channel. Lots of hauls and then a few videos where I'm walking around too, bumping into people that I know and checking out stuff that we love to collect. And some of the people that I bump into, Dec, while I've been down there,
Yeah.
I actually bumped into last time. So I'm just going to throw these guys on the video too, just because I didn't count them in the last one. So I just wanted to chuck them in this video too. So like the main guys I always bump into down at Collecticon, it's Dean from Totally Taylor Retro Hunters. And then there's Scotty Crusher. And then the dudes from Keep On Collecting, it's Matt and Andrew. So I'm always bumping into them fellas and always stop and have a good old chat with them. And yeah, I took some video of them last time, so I'm going to throw that in at some point now while I'm talking about it. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. Collecticon is full of really cool people, Dec.
Yeah, a lot of people.
A lot of cool people down there, and I've got to meet lots of really cool people, and so John's one of them. And then, so this is what we've got off John. And then we're going to pop it open and have a little look, Dec. Yeah. Right, so if you want to start popping it open.
You got a little knife?
Yeah, here's one in my pocket. And I'm probably going to do the green screen on this video too, so hopefully it works better. I've taken my skateboards off from down behind me, so hopefully my head doesn't keep disappearing. So yeah, we'll be on the green screen down in the corner, Dec, so just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
As we slowly pop this open and have a good look at this. HPI. Oh, there goes the box.
There goes.
Nano TTR, the Mustang. Right, there's show that on the picture there.
Yeah.
So just talk about that quickly too, what it says.
A little description of the car and how it works and that.
I'll read it out.
It says HPI specific spec grip replica tires,
Headlights
and turn signals, rear brake lights and reverse lights, rear steer system and front suspension.
And then it's got a little picture, like a little blueprint of the car there. Alright, here we go. This is pretty exciting, Dec. I'm really curious to see actually how big it is and like if it compares to Hot Wheels.
There's a little manual.
There's the instructions. There's the car there.
Looks like it. If this one's first. It all comes up.
Yeah, so the majority of the box is taken up by the controller there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which doesn't surprise me. Give it do you need to slit it again there?
Probably.
Yep, slit it.
Yeah.
Oh, earthquake. Dec's bumping the camera. Sorry about that one.
All unravels.
Right, unravels nicely, so it's nice packaging. I'm going to grab the car.
I'll grab the controller and have a look at it. Open it up.
Right, and get the cord there, Dec, and then whip the cardboard off the screen.
Yeah.
Perfect. Here it is. Look, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, so hold tight as we zoom in. Oh, look at this. It was actually quite a nice paint job too.
It is. And it's definitely Hot Wheel sized.
Look at the wheels. The wheels are sick too. It's like green, like chrome green wheels with like gloss rims.
Yeah. That's heaps cool. This one real quick.
Got the hollies sticking out the bonnet. And underneath we can see there's a USB-C deck.
Yep, USB-C.
And there's an on and off switch.
Flick it, see if it has any power in it, eh?
Straight out of the box, no power.
No power.
So then we're going to get some batteries here and have a quick look. See if we can charge that up.
There's a look at the controller.
Right, show off the controller there, Deck. We'll zoom back out there. Thank you very much.
Carbon fibre there. Couple
Those
buttons
carbon
there.
fibre looking, yeah, that's pretty cool, eh?
Couple buttons here.
Right, so with the buttons, they are... So move your head back a bit so I can see. So there's throttle trimming, steering trim, and then... I'm not sure what
Probably
the other
like
one is.
Settings. And the steering feels pretty
Oh,
nice.
it might be throttle A and B, so there might be 2 throttle trims, and then the steering.
And a couple of buttons on the side there too.
Yeah, and then I think the buttons here will control the lights and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So in one video I see like lights on or lights off for turning and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I think that might be a 1-speed and 2-speed. Oh, this is a bit complicated. We might need to check out the instructions for this.
Alright.
I think we're struggling with light here again, but that's alright. We're doing alright.
Let me look at the car. Looks pretty cool, eh?
Whoo!
Takes 2 AA's.
2 AA batteries, right? So we're gonna need to get 2 AA's. I think I got some here.
Oh, good. I'm gonna put that on charge for a little bit.
Right, we'll have a quick flick through the book here. A lot of gibberish there. Just shows you what it comes with there. Tells you how to charge it. Stop bumping the camera deck if you can, please, mates.
It's right below me. It's probably...
Yeah, I know it's hard. There's just talking about the steering and everything. It's talking about the buttons there, so you might need to read that one quickly, Deck, briefly, just to get your head across that.
Yeah.
And there's a picture of the car unloaded.
How it comes apart.
And then there's a breakdown. Alright, let's pause it up, go and grab some batteries, and we'll be back in just a jiffy. Right, we are back. And how long have we been waiting, Deck? You reckon?
Half an hour, 20 minutes?
About half hour, 20 minutes, and while I've been waiting, I just thought I'd get out my RC cars, the HPI E10. So that's the older version of it. So I just got it out just to, just to have a look, just because I'm looking at things. So I thought I'd just show it off for the video. Is that going to pop off for me? Yeah, there it goes. And how long have I had this one for? A couple of years, eh? Yeah, since you were a little boy. I've definitely got some upgrades on this. I've got the aluminium lower and upper control arms, the steering bits, the drive shaft, the rear bits, the engine mounts. There's a few upgrades on this. But I never actually got around to upgrading the lithium battery and the brushless motor deck. It was always a brushed one.
Yeah. That would be cool to have one of the 2-wheel drive ones.
Yeah, you can customise this one quite easily to do that. Yeah, so just while I was just waiting for that one to charge, I just wanted to get that one out and just have a little look at that one. Right, so let's grab your one off the charger now, Deck. I just had it plugged into the computer on the USB.
Boom.
And here it is here. Right, let's get a zoom in on that now. Alright. Right. So I think the transmitter has to be on and the car has to be on.
Let's turn the controller on.
Right, there's a person at the front door. I'm just getting a notification on the phone. So there we go. Flick the switch and that's on. So if you turn one way, blinker, turn the other way, blinker. Same at the back, we got the rear brake lights.
The reverses.
Reverse lights. So parking lights and then brake light. Hit the brake. There's the brake. And spin the wheels. Does it sound fast? Yeah. And then check the steering. So when they talk about real steering, like you know how your Cybertruck, if you turn left, like just the left ones move, and if you turn right, the right ones move.
Yeah.
So this actually like is real steering.
Proportional.
Yeah, that's right. So the left will turn left, the right will turn right. So there's the controls. Let's see if we can get it down here and see if Deck can't crash it straight away. He thinks he can drive it here.
That's easy.
How good is that?
Oh, dude, that's a bit big.
I think it's a lot quicker than his desk. So there's a little quick shot on the desk. We'll let Deck have a little go and then I'll have a little go.
Reverse park.
So let's compare it to the Oswheel then. The side by side with the Oswheel.
Same size.
Yep, pretty much the same size.
Feels very nice to drive. It's very
Right, let me have a go. Here we go, my turn.
I'm gonna crash it.
See if we can get some nice little circles going. There we go. So that's only a little bit of throttle. See if we can work it up a bit. Wow, look at that go, Deck.
Oh man, very clear.
Is the camera even keeping up with it?
Yeah, that's why it's faster.
It's going to come off the mat here in a second. Whee!
Got a little bit of speed to it.
He's got no problem going up and down that bump, you know. But that's super quick.
It feels nice to drive.
Yeah, it feels pretty good, eh? Right, now we're going to chuck it down on the ground and we'll do a video on the ground. See how it goes down there, okay? Yeah. Right, I'm sitting down on the ground. Declan's sitting behind me. Rear indicator left and right. How cool is that, man? Right, give it a hit. Straight away he's crashed it. Right. We need the hand of God. Super quick, isn't it? Yeah, I think we'll definitely might go about halfway. I'll do another flyby. Lift it. Hand of God. Having trouble keeping up with it. So hard to film because it's so small and it's real quick. There we go, let's see what it is. Hand of God. There we go, there's a nice one. Here we go. This is the final review. So we've had a real good drive around on the carpet down there. Let me have a little go here. So we sort of adjusted the steering down a little bit so it wasn't as touchy, and then you can get some real good corners with it and that. Deck loves bumping the camera. Thanks for bumping the camera, Deck.
Oh, good.
You're good at that.
Oh, that's my favourite.
So there it is. We'll sit it there.
Put my finger in, I'll go do a little skid.
Here we go, burnout. So there it is, guys. The Nano Tabletop Racer. So that's what TTR stands for, Deck. Tabletop Racer.
Makes sense.
The Mustang, we thoroughly enjoyed it. We had a good time playing with it, Deck. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, had fun.
So rating out of 10, what do you give it?
Good 9, good 8.
Good 9. I'd give it a 10 out of 10, I reckon. This thing's really cool. We've played with RC cars before this size, and they're pretty much rubbish, aren't they, Deck?
Oh, yeah. Like, the Hot Wheels ones, they were right, but they're like, they got the crappy plastic tires and the weird steering.
The steering is a bit weird on them, where it's like army tank steering.
Yeah, one wheel spins this way, one wheel spins that way, and it steers it.
Yep, that's it. Wrap it up. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Really cool car. Love the Mustang shape. Love the look of it. Love the green and black.
Yeah.
The LEDs are really cool, so it's really cool. I would recommend, if you guys ever got the chance to go and get one of these, go and get yourself one. You will have fun with it for sure. What do you say, Deck?
Oh, I like it very much. It's very fun. Nice and fast. Nice steering.
It is very fast too, isn't it?
Yeah, for such a little tiny car. Like, the motor's probably tiny in it.
Yeah.
And it looks very detailed, and the lights are very cool.
So then we have to give one more thank you to John for giving us this lovely gift and letting us do this review and being able to get our hands on it and have a good play with it. So thanks, John.
Thank you.
Not everyone knows who John is, but John, you definitely know who you are. Thank you very much for this, sir. And we look forward, like I said in the last video, we're definitely going to be contacting you in the future for some more the Melbourne Expo Oswils. So that'll be good, getting that hook up with that. So, yep, thanks again for that one, mate. And I forgot to mention this at the start of the channel, Deck, but we are now hit the first stage of monetization, so we're able to get channel members, and you can leave a super chat or sticker, stuff like that in the chat when we go live on premieres, or if we go live doing streaming and stuff.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens. We'll sit back. We got 5 free members for the first month, so this was random. We chucked that out there, and the 5 random people got that. So yeah, if you want to become a member, and we're gonna look into like special, then we have to do like member content and special member shorts and stuff like that are only for the members. So that's something that we're definitely going to be working on in the future as we get more traction on the channel, sort of thing.
Yeah.
All right, Deck.
Too easy. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I am shanecohd.
I'm Declan.
Make sure you are liked and subscribed, and thanks for watching.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Are you love?